All right, silicone part A, ISO 3533.
Certificate matches the MSDS.
Quality check complete. Okay, 125.4 grams. Logging it in now.
Okay, part B is pouring now. Make sure to hit that target weight. Almost there. Perfect. Checking ratio.
The meter mix pump delivers part A and part B to the mixed LSR flows through the hose to the injection press. Lock out the press before any adjustments. Purge initiated. Flow is clearing.
Check for color.
Clear flow confirmed.
Preheat complete, temperature 160 degrees Celsius. Confirmed.
Apply mold release into the cavities. Ventilate the fumes and use minimal amounts to avoid residue. Injection start. Nozzle moves into position. Liquid silicone injection begins. Pump whine. Hydraulic hiss. Cure complete. Mold halves opening. Idle temperature. Ejector pins active. Confirm clearance.
Gripper engaged. Retracting parts.
Second mold now in place. Another injection cycle initiates, filling the twin cavity mold. Monitor heat. Repeat cycle. Mold open. Parts ejected. 2 new parts are here. Initial inspection clear.
No voids. Checking the seam. Looks good. Acceptable.
The target weight is 145 grams with a tolerance of plus or minus half a gram. The scale reads 145 and it passes.
Dimensional check complete. Passing.
The shore reading is 45. Checking the chart confirms it's within the required range. Reject rate is too high on this batch. I know, let's keep documenting the scrap. Okay, this one looks good. Moving it over.
Silicone toy. Add silica. Check.
The weight is correct. Everything is stable. Good. Let's send it. Purge cycle is almost complete. Checking the flow now. Looks good, ready to dispose.
Wow, this is so helpful. Thank you. Absolutely love it.